Welcome back. Time now for a full look at weather with our Weather Authority meteorologist, Lisa Montgomery. Lisa, I've been trying to remember to bring a light jacket because in the morning it gets so cold, but then later on in the day it warms up and feels pretty nice.
Yes, that was the first thing I learned when I moved here. Everyone's like, you gotta dress in layers because it starts out cool and then the sun comes out and it warms things up.
It's like
and
a different season.
Yeah, it is, right? All in one day. And we're gonna see that again tomorrow. In fact, temperatures are gonna warm up a bit tomorrow, and then we'll continue to see that warming trend. It will get hot again, especially for those inland areas. And we did have a couple hot spots today in the upper 90s. Here's a look for tonight. It's still beautiful out there. We still have clear skies across much of the area, and it's a very peaceful night. Take a look. This is a live look from Domenico's on the Wharf at our bay, and things look very still, very quiet, and we'll continue to see that overnight, but we will see those clouds begin to roll back in. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, depending on where you live, looks like we're going to see those coastal clouds again, those low stratus clouds filling in around the bay and even into the valleys. Maybe some patchy fog and some mist around too, but other than that, just expect a quiet weather week. We will have those clouds again to start out the day, but they should dissipate quicker tomorrow, so we will see more sunshine, and that means warmer temperatures, and that trend's just going to continue on into the weekend. Here's a look at our temperatures right now. You can see we do have a little bit of everything here. We've got the 50s, the 60s, and it looks like still Parkfield with 69 degrees, very mild there. That's where we did have 99 for today. So those far southern communities did warm up a bit. It got hot, and it will get hotter tomorrow. Most likely you'll be in the triple digits tomorrow in some of those areas. Satellite view showing you we still have clear skies. We're beginning to see a little bit of those stratus clouds form around the bay, and we'll see that overnight as this continues to track easterly and moves inland, and we'll be dealing with that, and then we'll see that sunshine. It's going to be a beautiful day tomorrow with those warmer temperatures. However, we will see a west-northwest wind. They will pick up tomorrow, so it's going to be on the breezy side across much of the area as our pattern begins to shift. We have high pressure to the east of us that's going to move back in this direction, and that's going to give us some breezy conditions and also those warmer temperatures too. That's going to continue. So overnight around the bay, we are going to fall back into the low 50s. Some areas a little bit cooler, other areas a little bit warmer. Looking ahead, this is the trend. We had kind of a trough system sitting out over the waters, affecting our weather, giving us those cooler conditions. But as we head into tomorrow and the rest of the week, here's this ridge that actually gave us that heat wave last week. Guess what? It's moving back in our direction. It's going to retrograde, which means it's going to come back and sit over us and give us some very warm temperatures again. Lots of sunshine, staying dry, so we will have an increased fire weather risk, especially late week into next week as those temperatures continue to stay warm, and a moderate heat risk for some of those inland areas as well. So here we go. Here's the forecast for tonight. We're still looking good, comfortable with those temperatures in the low 50s, even 50 degrees for Felton, for Ben Lomond, Scotts Valley, and we're looking at the 70s, 80s, and then 91 as you head northward to the mountain areas. And then you can see Morgan Hill 92 tomorrow, Gilroy 91, Hollister 85, Watsonville 73. So we're looking nice and comfortable for Aptos, Marina, Castroville, Salinas coming in with 73. And then around the peninsula, you can see temperatures are going to stay in the 60s, but from the low to the upper 60s, we'll start out with those clouds and we'll see the sunshine by the afternoon. So looking good there. And then inland, this is where we see those temperatures really begin to warm up. We're looking at 102 for Bradley. You were at 99 today. Same for Parkfield. King City 91. The Pinnacles, it's going to be hot there with 95 degrees. Everybody else looking pretty good here. Soledad 81, Greenfield 86. So that is warmer for tomorrow. Gonzales 77, Big Sur in the 70s. So across the board with those coastal areas, you can see we're staying in the 60s with a mix of clouds and sun, but we'll get a good deal of sunshine. And then inland, this is where we see things heat up, and we'll have to watch, especially for the fire weather risk and also the heat risk too for those sensitive folks.